In this lesson, I will show you how to create this super colour pop text design that can be used in posters and other designs with a simple change of colour once finished. It has some lovely deep black shadows, as well as complemented by a grey background shadow with some ultra shine highlights within the text itself. This will work in all three Affinity software options: Affinity Photo, Designer and Publisher. I have based the design in using the effects option in Affinity and building the effects layers up all within the same window. As it uses fonts, the size can be upscaled to any size of project that you need. Once finished, you'll be able to save a master file and change the colours and fonts as you need them. Hi, I'm Tony Bramley. I've been a professional photographer for over 25 years. I help people just like you with my one-to-one training and group workshops. I provide judging for camera clubs and also, like you, shoot just for fun. Join me as I pass on a few wise words and probably some stupid ones too in a creative world called photography.